Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure. Incent. Looking for a legendary bird. Yo, alright, we're gonna pop it. Looking for a legendary bird. I believe we are on day 5 or day 6. But for those of you who don't know, it's been months. I've just decided to make a series for it. It's been months. I don't know. I can't see my Pokemon. Okay. I'm sorry for this background noise. Hold on. Wow, it got loud there for a second. I apologize. Yo, hold on. We have an attempt at a Zorua. Yeah, I'll pineapple it. Why not? Whoa. Alright, please shine. Shine. No. Well, that's cool. Alright, on to the next one. Sandshrew. You know, I just don't know what else to do. I really don't. I've tried all the tricks. I've looked it up on YouTube, Google. We're on a different route. We got the Sandshrew. As you can see, we're on a different route today. Maybe tomorrow I should do it with without being on a route. Oh, was that a Beldum? Oh, wow, a Remoraid, wow. Whoops. Cutiefly shiny? Nah. See, I'm walking. Y'all see me walking, y'all. I'm trying. Where my spawns at? Nuzleaf. First try it? No. Three star. Alright, we got a Panseer. I ain't gonna lie, I'll take them. They're regional. Could have been shiny. Who knows? Maybe this is a hundo. And it most certainly is not. And a little bit of a cluster. Shroomish. I'll take that Stardust. Still don't have a shiny. Tangela? I saw that spawn. Was that a Cottony? Yo. Still looking for this one shiny. Alright, Cottony. Put up a little bit of a fight. I see you. Dunsparce now. What kind of spawns are these, realistically? It's cool. It's cool. I didn't want that Dunsparce anyways. Shroomish. Did I catch it? I did, maybe. That wasn't it. What is this? Another one? Alright. How many variants of these? First of all, what is this called? Flabebe? Flabebe? How you pronounce it? Maybe shiny, and there's like a whole bunch of different variants of them, different colors. It's a Nuzleaf calm day out here. Alright, yo. You gotta give me props for trying. I'm out here. Yo, I'll take a Pansage. Okay, we getting the regionals off of it. I'll be happy with a shiny from one of these. Still want that bird though. We still on the grind for the bird. How many days is it gonna be? Electrike? Okay. Really random. Excellent. Shine. No. Shine, Tangela. Alright, it's gonna be the one off the incense. This could be a Ditto. Might be a Ditto. Nope, it's an Oddish. Where we at? We got 6 minutes left. Another Shroomish. Okay. Easy dust. About 500. Jigglypuff off the daily. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really liking the spawns right now. The Cottony's okay. But like if I really want the costume ones, like they gotta be like really worth it. Also, I'm walking here. Spawn. Oh. Alright, we got a Scorpy. And I believe I don't have one of these shiny yet. Yo, Scorpy. You know what? I need you to calm down. Scorpy is really feisty. I ain't gonna lie, that was annoying. I threw a Golden Raz and a Ultra Ball just to catch this thing. Okay, execute. Hey, you jumped into that great throw, buddy. Another Oddish. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of my route too, so I'll take a Zygarde Cell. Another Cottony off of the daily. No Hundo. Alright, I guess we'll exchange gifts with Mateo. I'll add a sticker. Here you go. Take that. Alright, where's this one gonna be from? Oh, the UK. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Doobie-da-ba-da-ba-da. Yes, thank you. Shroomish off the daily. Let's see how much dust we can get from a Shroomish, just to be clear. I believe it's like 500 something. And verdict is 625 dust. For one catch, I mean, I'm taking that all day. I'll take all the Shroomish. Just can't catch that shiny either. We got a Poochyena. okay. Goodbye, Pooch. Didn't want you anyways either. We got a minute and a half left on our daily. Corsola, no shine. Long wait for the next one. Okay, it's a Carvana. Just no luck. Alright, I believe I can get one more spawn off of the daily. We got, 30 seconds. Yeah, I can get one more spawn. Just gotta see what it is. Oh, I didn't complete my route. I gotta walk back. Our last spawn is a Hoppip. I can't believe it, yo. Y'all know anybody else that has this bad of luck? Keep on hearing about these damn things. My friends be seeing them when they do their dailies. But I'm just not having it. Alright, 18 Pokemon. Let me take a screenshot. We got 18 Pokemon on the daily. No bird, no shiny. Matter of fact, let me check the hundos. No zeros, no hundos. Alright, well here's where I'm at with my XP. Just crossed 9 million. So we're making a little leeway. That's all I got for today's episode, though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wish me luck. Maybe tomorrow I'll get a bird or shiny or a hundo. Something good. I'm out here grinding. Come on, y'all. Come on, Niantic. Like and subscribe for more, though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you in the next one. Peace.